Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a brand new 2019 Attitude 32 is the model number. Come on inside, let's take a peek. Alright, we got all lit up here. The lights on. You gotta walk in right here. Nice big microwave. LED lights above us. You got your 3-burner oven, stove, glass top. So you got a more counter space. You got a corner counter. You got some cabinets here, storage there. You got your Dometic refrigerator and freezer right there. TV's above us on a swivel bracket so it swings out. Got big cabinets. Lots of storage there. Little pantry there. Your start for your generators right here. It's got an onboard generator. So this is a little slide out here. So the bottom, so when it slides in, actually you're made to put your razor in here, and then the bottom lifts up to go around the tire, so nice big razor will fit in here. So that's why the couch folds up. You got storage above us here. Good storage in the cabinets there. Lots of storage there. Storage above us there. You got a ceiling fan above us, LED lights. You got the power queen size bed in the back, so this raises up to get out of the way. And then this couches, they actually fold down to a bed, so and then they'll fold up out of the way. So when you're bringing your, toys in, and in the back you've got the screen. You've got the screen here with the, and it goes out onto the deck here, so you can put a railing if you want, but it's just a patio deck for now, and then folds down to the ramp actually, so you can get your toys in. Portable tables fold in the slots here, and these are removable. Tie downs all throughout, so you get multiple toys. It's got good storage for that. More, like I said, lots of cabinets here on both, all the way around, so that's cool. And here's all your control panel there, your stereo system, and here controls for your awnings, your lights, for your batteries and stuff right there. Walk back here down the hallway. You got a nice big glass corner shower. You got a nice big pantry there for your towels and coats and stuff. Storage there. Little cabinet there. Well, nice and tall for a big guy. So these are awesome. These glass doors, and big corner shower. You got big tall guy, no problem getting in and out of this thing. So you got plenty of height if you're a big guy. So, and then you walk through, you got access to both. Oop, we got this one locked. You got access 2 ways for the bedroom. You got the queen size bed with storage underneath. And then you got your storage that goes through from outside too. So, and then this is a little slide here, so the closet's a slide out. So this actually has 2 slides on the side, one here and one in the back, and the other quarters in the back. And storage there, not a storage. You got cabinets, storage on the side. You got built-in LED plugs, for your charging your phone station. So this actually has 2 air conditioners, one for the bedroom, one for out in the front. Here's your control. And these are pre-wired. They have a solar charger on the roof, a little trickle charger to charge your batteries. So pretty cool. A lot of nice big walk around bed. It's awesome. So let's go outside and take a look at the outside. Going outside, you got the big hand grab rail. This is a triple axle, like I said, 32 IBG, but these are light. This dry weight on this is only 9,700 pounds. So you got your extended awning there, LED strips underneath above the door. You got lights over there, also LEDs. So nice tinted glass windows. The power awning. So here's your, ramp. We just got the cables on there. So pretty lightweight, easy to lift up. Back in the lights in the back for loading at nighttime. Kind of cool. You got a fold-away ladder to get up on the roof right here. You need to do some maintenance or whatnot. Here's your power cord. Right here's your fuel station. Fuel station right there. Here's the, right there is where you put the fuel in. There's a little slide right there. So here's your outdoor shower, water heater. See there, so you put your cord inside there. Water city water connections right there. Sewers down below us here. You got your Onan generator, 5500 Onan generator. Like I said, inside you auto start, remote start. Batteries go up in here. You got the 2 big tanks with a nice cover, LED strips in the, fiberglass cap. So this has got the power tongue jack. So if you're looking for a toy hauler, camper, trailer, fifth wheel, we do it all here. Come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.